What existed before the beginning of everything? Before our universe? Before the Big Bang? This is one of the most profound questions humanity has ever asked. When we look back to the birth of our universe, 13.8 billion years ago, we find a point of infinite density and heat, the singularity. But what was there before that? The short and perhaps a little frustrating answer is, we don't know for sure. The laws of physics as we know them today collapse at that point. Time and space as we understand them simply did not exist. But that hasn't stopped the brightest minds from trying to unravel this mystery. The famous physicist Stephen Hawking, for example, had a fascinating perspective. He compared the question, what was before the Big Bang, with what is north of the North Pole? The answer is nothing. For Hawking, since time began with the Big Bang, there was no before. Talking about a time before time is a paradox. The question simply wouldn't make sense within our model of the universe. But what if our universe isn't the first? The Nobel Prize-winning physicist Roger Penrose proposed a radical and elegant idea, conformal cyclic cosmology. In this theory, our universe is just one in an infinite series of universes, or eons. Imagine this. Our universe expands and expands until all matter disintegrates into energy. Billions of trillions of years in the future, all that remains is a sea of photons and other massless particles. At this point, size no longer matters. An infinitely large and empty universe becomes mathematically identical to an infinitely small and dense point. And then, boom, a new Big Bang happens, giving rise to a new eon. Penrose believes he has found evidence for this theory. He points to anomalous patterns in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of our own Big Bang. He calls them Hawking points, which would be the echoes of supermassive black holes from the previous universe evaporating. It's a mind-boggling idea to think that the stars in our night sky may have been made from the remnants of a cosmos that existed before ours. So,